Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Stonk Journal. In order to do so, here we are at stonkjournal.com. And what is Stonk Journal all about? Well, it's the trading journal for the people. Looking for a free and ad-free trading journal that's fast, easy to use, and comprehensive enough to seamlessly integrate into your daily routine? Look no further, and we can click here to get started, but let's just take a look at the home page here. We've got some testimonials and fast and easy trade entry. Our trade entry screen is designed for swift input, offering a straightforward and user-friendly interface. It comes equipped with a memory of previous trades and takes advantage of user preferences to minimize data entry. This makes it an ideal starting point for establishing a comprehensive trade journal. Simple journal entry per trade. Journal entry tab includes tags, confidence meter, image attachments, and of course, notes field. Simple, elegant, and clean. Visualize all your executions for a particular trade on a chart. You can create multiple accounts, portfolios to not only segregate your trading strategies, brokers, and asset classes, but also to monitor your withdrawals and deposits. Our user settings and preferences are designed to enhance the speed of trade entry for users. This is achieved by implementing defaults that automatically fill in when users enter new trades, allowing them to quickly return to trading without spending valuable time on data entry. Utilizing trade setups is advantageous during the research and selection process of stocks for potential trading. This is because trade setups automatically calculate the risk-reward ratio, which aids in maintaining strategy consistency and identifying potential risks that may be undesirable. With just a click of a button, setups can be quickly converted into trades. Our statistics offer traders visibility into their individual trading performance, enabling them to make informed decisions about adjusting their trading strategy. You can follow them on Twitter, but let's go ahead and get started today. So we can sign up with Google. So let's go ahead and do that. And with just a couple of clicks of the button, here we are in Stonk Journal. So let's go ahead and just take a look at what Stonk Journal is all about. So we can just click save on that. I don't think we're really changing anything. Let's go ahead and check out the dashboard. So here we have the above trades are for demo purposes. You may add your own trades by clicking on the plus button in the sidebar to the left. The demo trades will go away on their own after you log a trade. So the plus button up at the left. Let's see here in the sidebar to the left. Okay, I'm not seeing a plus button. So let's go ahead and keep moving on. Let's take a look at the information here. Let's see, we got tags. So if we click on here, we've got tags, market, symbol, direction, status. Let's try searching for a symbol. So that one's not coming through, but that's fine. So this is where you can apply filters. We'll go ahead and just keep moving on here. And it looks like we're being given a certain amount of, I'm assuming this is for a demo because I haven't added any money. So I'm just assuming that this is in order to test things out here. We have, let's see, stats. So win rate, expectancy, profit factor, etc., etc. So far, really nice and clean. And let's take a look at the calendar here. Okay, so we've got our calendar. Let's click on any of these. So this is great. We can add a trade. So if we want to automate that, I believe that's what we're going to be doing here. We can click on buy on that. And let's check our settings. So we've got our account settings. We can change our currency format, tag management, password, and security. Let's see here. If we want to delete our account, we can do that there. Let's go ahead and click on new trade. Okay, so that's going to bring us here. We can change our market. We can add the symbol, target, stop loss. We can buy. Seems here is where we're going to automate. I believe this is maybe the plus sign that we were being told before. So we can add in our symbol, quantity, our price. New setup. Let's see, new trade setup. So we can change it long, short, change our market, symbol entry, target, stop loss. We can add notes, add tags, and we can keep our notes here. So this is where we can keep our notes. So that's quite nice. We can add our mood. We can specify what the market condition is, what market volatility is, have our date, make a summary. So really quite nice. I mean, as far as what it is intended for as a journal here, then seems like we're being given a lot of the basic functions that we would want for something like this. So really quite cool. If you're interested in Stonk Journal, head over and you can start a free account. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.